Welcome to Bahamas Educational Express science lesson video, Sun's Effect on Earth. Learners will be able to state how the sun affects the Earth, name the planets in order, tell which planets are inner and outer planets, describe the features of the planets. Let's look at the sun's effect on Earth. The sun shines on Earth's surface and warms it up. The land absorbs sunlight. The sunlight is changed to energy. Not all places on Earth absorb the same amount of sunlight. The Earth heats unevenly. Here are the planets. Let's look at the order of the 8 planets. A planet is a large body of rock or gas that orbits the sun. The planet closer to the sun is Mercury, followed by Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let us look at the inner planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. They all lie between the sun and the asteroid belt. They all have rocky surfaces. They are also smaller than most of the outer planets. None of them has more than 2 moons. The first inner planet is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is covered with craters. It is about the size of Earth's moon and has a thin atmosphere. Second, Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is about the same size as Earth. It is dry and has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. Third, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the largest of the inner planets. It has one natural satellite, the moon. It is the only planet that has liquid water. It is the only known planet to support life. Next up, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is sometimes called the red planet. Its atmosphere is thin and consists mainly of carbon dioxide. The gas freezes, forming ice caps in winter. Mars has volcanoes, canyons, craters, and sand dunes. Now, the outer planets. On the other side of the asteroid belt are the outer planets: Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, and Neptune. These planets are large spheres made up mostly of gases and are often referred to as gas giants. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. At least 16 moons orbit around it. It is twice the size of Earth. Its energy causes a circular storm known as the Great Red Spot. It is surrounded by a system of thin, dark rings. Next up is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has at least 18 named moons. The many bright rings that surround the planet are Saturn's most famous features. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a blue-green ball of gas and liquid. It is the third largest planet in the solar system and has at least 15 moons. Our last planet is Neptune. It is the eighth planet from the Sun. It has at least 8 moons, including Triton, and it also has a faint ring. Now, can we name the planets? Can we say if it is an inner planet or an outer planet? So you have two things, naming the planet and tell if it's inner and outer. Let's look at the first one. That's right, that's Jupiter, and Jupiter is an outer planet. Let's look at this one. Okay, that's right, it is Saturn, and it is an outer planet. What about this one? It is Venus, and it is an inner planet. What about this one? It is Mars, and Mars is an inner planet. This one here, everyone should get this one right. Yes, it is Earth, and Earth is an inner planet. What about that one? That's right, it's Neptune, and Neptune is an outer planet. Thank you, boys and girls, for learning about the sun and its effect on Earth and learning about the planets.